Here we go. Day 16, Friday. OPEX could be a crazy day. And look at the market. People are thinking that the war in the Middle East is going to be over. But today we're going to have to be really careful because it is OPEX. Shenanigans happen. So keep the size low and be super cautious. Let's get our levels drawn out here. A huge range for overnight. Huge. Really, that's interesting. It's good pumping almost back to 400. So could be pulling back from here. Everything's up. I think I streamed like for 2 hours with my screen off yesterday. Sorry about that. See what our friends are doing this morning.
Okay. What's good? What's up? Woo! I'm here in the flesh. I'm so incredibly sorry that I'm late today. I'm punching in late. Thou art feeling it, Mr. Krabs. Let's go. Good morning, Team Bull. Yeah, let's get it. Good morning, everyone. Team Bull, how y'all doing? Guys, I had to do something that I don't like to do this morning. I had to get Starbucks coffee. Not a Starbucks guy at all. So it's going to be interesting to see. Hey, Grizzly, you speaking? Can't hear you if you are. Oh, nope. Bro ain't speaking. Good morning, everybody. Top of the day. Top of the day. And not a Starbucks guy. Certainly not. Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Dude, no way. Oh my gosh. It is not. Oh, I have it right here. It's not been my morning. My mouse just died, but I have a charger. I do have a charger, always on standby. I've actually had that happen in the past where I was in a trade, my mouse died. That was a rookie mistake. So I guess the market liked the news of the Strait of Hormuz opening back up entirely. Guess the market appreciated that, it looks like. Yep. All right, fellas. Good morning, everybody tuning in. Sorry, I am a tad bit late today.
Good opening in 1 minute. I wish my printer was working.
Let's do this, Team Bull.
What's up, Grizzly Glock?
What's up, man?
I was running behind today.
You not trading at the office?
I did not go to the office.
I figured that's what was going on.
Nope. I was just being slow. I was just being a little slow.
What's some volume on that previous Canva?
Let's get it, baby.
Does anyone have a bounce area they're watching?
What'd you say, bro?
I asked if anybody had a bounce area they're watching.
You could long the midpoint of this news candle. It's right here.
Right The fair value gap.
All right, there we go. Okay. We're ready. This market's strong.
Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, to be expected, but it happened quickly. Moved up very quickly.
It did happen very quickly. About to test all-time highs. Where is everyone seeing all-time highs? Or like people are like, oh, we're not all-time highs. Bro, we've been at all-time highs. Look at the daily on the NASDAQ. On NASDAQita. Good morning, everybody. Shaw, I saw 26,850. Nope. Yeah, so the blue box, guys, marks our 15-minute high and low. And by the way, this is your morning reminder to choose DOD today. It is Friday. We've had a beautiful week. 3 out of 4 days, we've had 100+ point trades. So let's end the week on a good discipline note. Choose discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive, self-sabotaging, useless, holding you back dopamine. Follow your rules today. Trade smart. Trade safe. Take steps forward. Let's find one good trade, all right? Every day you have a choice. You can do what the 5% of profitable traders do and stay disciplined, or you can be like the sheep. You can put on your wool and be part of the 95% that break their rules, that don't manage risk, and don't choose DOD. Morning alarm. Whoops. That's your choice for the day. All right? Choose wisely. Jacob, can you put that in basketball terms? Sure. Yeah. So you wanna trade like Jokic. You want to trade like the Denver Nuggets. I don't want y'all trading like the Los Angeles Lakers because your trading's gonna get trading will probably go 0 for 4 today. Don't want you trading like the Timberwolves. You might go 1 to 5 if you're lucky. And I sure as heck don't want you trading like the Golden State Warriors. Because you ain't even making the playoffs, my guy. That playing game, it's good night after that. So if you need it in basketball terms, you're trading like Nikola Jokic. You're trading like the current day Nuggets. Pristine, organized, calculated, methodical. That's how we're going to do it today. And that's how you're going to make your daily bread. That's what's going down. Thank you. Thank you, Shadon. Yesterday, I really exercised DOD and I'm feeling excited for today. I'm not done on myself, ashamed or regretful. It's amazing. Hey, truth is what it is, baby. Hey, the only love I'm giving the haters is I was forced to say something yesterday, and then we caught a banger trade. I was forced to say something against my will. They had me at trade point. That trade was great yesterday. I want to keep it moving. I'm going to keep it moving and grooving. I should go into the game tomorrow. I'm going to the Nuggets and Timberwolves game tomorrow. Got anyone else in chat that's in Denver hitting up the playoff game? Hitting Warriors tonight. Nice. If you had a chance, you should sit where the players walk in and out and have Curry sign something. Then you could tell people you have a top 25 player of all time. Piece of merchandise. You know, it's kind of like if Curry signs something, it's kind of the equivalent of like DeMar DeRozan. Pistol Pete Maravich. I actually like Pistol Pete. Brandon called me a crackhead. Why? I don't have to really lock in until 7 more minutes after the first 15-minute range. All right, guys, we have pre-market high up at 820. We have pre-market low down at 470. As usual, for trading at all-time highs, we're going to be very patient. Trade smart, trade safe. Stay very, very, very patient. It's the only way to navigate all-time high. Still waiting, everybody. What are you watching today, Grizzly Glock? You see anything you like? Anything at all?
What's up?
I'm just seeing if there's anything you were watching today, bro.
Not much, really. You just orb, basically orb or trend.
It's been a great week.
Shorts.
I'm not
twice this week, and both time I tried shorts, I got stopped out.
I'm not hell bent on taking anything today. I mean, if it comes up, will. But you know what we really need to happen, Grizzly, is we got to get MNQ to figure out its wick situation from yesterday. What was that?
Yeah. I'm gonna trade NQ. I'm not dealing with that. That's just.
I might trade minis today too. Slay done getting that pay done. We in old school dumpster style days, 5-minute workday on a Friday, 30-minute workday.
Agreed.
People are saying Tradeify is not working right now.
Well, my Tradeify is open right now and it's working, so
How are those evals going?
they're going, man.
They're not easy.
No, definitely not. The 100Ks are definitely not easy at all.
No, the pass rates from when you go from 1-day pass to 2-day pass to 3-day pass, it really drops, and you go from that 50% consistency to that 40%.
I'm gonna pass these slow and steady.
That's what I do with my Tradeify selects. I mean, they're all funded, and 2 of them are well above the buffer of 2100. But I just take them nice and slow with micros.
Had one losing trade yesterday. It's OPEX, everyone. Just a heads up.
Oh, yeah, let's look at news here. I don't think there's anything today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, nothing. Fed speaker at noon. Next week, big news week, looks like CPI, retail sales. Oh, the new Fed chair is going to talk on Tuesday. That could be interesting. Flash manufacturing. So, yeah, decent news for next week. Okay, our 15-minute range is just about in here.
All right, fellas, 15-minute range is in. Yeah, the thing about taking longs at all-time highs, that if you've traded all-time highs, you know this, but if you haven't traded them, I'm going to tell you something, is that you need to be more patient, because price typically slowly grinds up, and when you make that all-time high, and you have the retracements, it moves down quick. It just takes some time sometimes. Does it mean you're more inclined for shorts at all-time highs? Actually, it doesn't. You should be doing the opposite. If we're at all-time highs, there's a reason we're here. That's how a lot of the most successful traders over the years have blown up. Is on massive moves down, they try to pick the bottoms, and on all-time highs, they keep trying to short. There's a phrase that stuck with me for a very long time in life, and it's that, this isn't the phrase, but greed and trying to be perfect and get more and more ends in disaster. Pigs get fat and hogs get slaughtered. You don't want to try to be a hog in the stock market. You don't want to try to time the tops and time the bottoms. Take your piece of the pie. Take your piece of the pie. Take your base hits and manage your risk. That's how you're going to make money long term. And it's also going to make you enjoy trading more. Trading doesn't have to be extremely stressful. There's also something wrong with Rhythmic today, too. I don't know if you guys seen that, but their Rhythmic was having data issues last night, and it's carried on into this morning. It's affecting my...
No trades, guys. No trades. Nothing close. So I'm just doing some things. That's why my screen shut off.
Interesting.
I'll be back in just a second.
Yeah, with the P&L. My data feed's also not cooperating. I'm going to have to restart my live. And if worst case, if it won't work, I'll just use my TOS, or I'll use my... Maybe that's my sign to trade options today. Maybe I should trade some options today. Oh, now it's working. All right, I said restart my software. The P&Ls didn't reset. My P&L did not reset. All right. Means if we catch a winning trade, it's going to make me look twice as profitable. Plan. That is funny, though. All right, so this candle right here looks okay for a continuation to the upside. Looks all right. We closed above the 50% point. Rising volume, 5 minutes. 15-minute looks it's getting there. We have point of control right here as well. Yeah, no trade today is a very, very real outcome, potential outcome, guys. It's been an incredible week. Yes, we are day traders, not take everyday traders, not trade everyday traders. This is not Pokemon. You don't have to catch them all. Stop letting social media fool you. This is a business. You run your trading business like you'd run any other business. If you run a restaurant, you're not just going to go out and buy all the unneeded inventory in the world. You're going to ultimately end up losing money. Got to be smart about your inventory. You got to be smart about your hours of operation. You got to be smart about your overhead. It's the same thing with trading. Just taking smart trades, taking calculated risk. That's how you're going to get to that next level. That's how you're going to fix your psychology. That's how you're going to get your risk reward up. That's how you're going to make more money and lose less. Make more, lose less. And that's it. It's just like that. No trades yet. Nope.
Pumping. And we're back. No trades yet. I take this here.
Order submitted.
Just in my evals.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh yeah, my profit loss didn't get reset last night either. Weird. It's not showing my lead account. Weird.
No trades yet, guys. We're still stuck in this range. No continuation up, no continuation down. So that is where we wait. Stay patient. We wait and we stay patient. How old is Jay Dunn? I'm turning 41 in 2 weeks on May 8th. Crazy. 41, guys. 40 fun. That's what they keep telling me. Yeah, I've aged like fine wine, huh? I mean, come on. The OGs know you guys remember my 40th birthday? You look mad young. I thought you were like 27. No, man, I haven't been 27 since, man, 2013. Those were the days. So I remember it like it was yesterday. Back in 2013, I was, oh gosh, what was I?
Take a little risk
I would
off
have
here.
been
Order
a
filled.
sophomore in high school. Jay Dunn is the oldest. All right, guys. 41 was a joke. I'm actually turning 35. That's some
Order
real spill.
submitted. Order
It's all that Korean
submitted.
skincare. Yup. Every day. And lots of sushi. No, I turned 30. I'm turning 30 in a few weeks. And fun fact, Grizzly and I, this is not a joke. Grizzly and I have the same birthday. I'll be I will be out in the islands. That's why I've been telling y'all for a while. I won't be here from May 5th through May 13th. I mean, it take like a week and a half off of trading and streaming and stuff. Gene will be on my socials and on the Zoom.
Eight o'clock coming up.
And we got another May 8th birthday. Let's go. I'll miss you guys for sure. Taking my whole fam. Still waiting. I would appreciate anything from Japan, anything and everything. I don't know what's cool in Japan besides like all the skiing and food and monuments and stuff. I have a feeling we could be choppy today. I know I've said that literally the past like 3 days or 2 days, but seriously, let's look at the daily chart. This is ridiculous, guys. Look at the daily chart here. This is absurd, bro. Like, this is ridiculous. Not a
They
single
trimmed
red
off.
day
Been
since
Order
super
canceled.
cautious
the
today.
beginning of the month. So just remember, we're eventually after aggressive moves like this, a lot of times you see some exhaustion. You see some consolidation.
Order submitted.
So here's the deal here, guys. We closed above this 15-minute high. So with the traditional orb strategy, you could technically look for a retrace here to like 720. It's the low, 687. 720, 680. You'd have, or 687. You have about 33 points of risk. I'm not saying it looks bad, but I'm also not going to tell you it looks good. If we had higher volume, where would I tell you guys this looked good? I would tell you it looked good if we had aggressive candlestick up with rising volume. Yeah, the low volume's kind of sketchy. I have a feeling we could see that today. You guys know how I feel about low volume trends up. It's my least profitable type of day. Damn, my boy cooking. That's awesome. Literally in 5 seconds, Apex, forgive me. Banger trade. I could definitely see us taking out that recent high. For sure. It's definitely a possibility.
My exit will be up here at the high, but I'm going to trail it on the 3 minute.
Is this a 2-bar? No. Why is this not a 2-bar? This isn't a 2-bar because, well, the simple answer here is that we have lowering volume and a smaller candlestick. The trend is up, so we had that going for us, but I'm technically open to trying along in the 15-minute high. I just feel like it's going to be on games. I made a post yesterday that I had all these haters in my DMs all pressed. So I made a post that I was looking for a car detailer to detail my cars, to detail the GT2 RS and the Storado and probably the truck and the humble Honda as well. So you could scratch it up to almost an M in cars. And they're like, is it paid? And I was like, for their first time, no, it's not. And all these people were like, oh, how could you do that? And I was like, well, listen here. I was like, I want someone who's young and hungry, which, by the way, I had like 15 people in like 20 minutes message, Jadon, please let me do it. Please let me detail the cars, and would come and use my cars for marketing. They get to ask me anything they'd like about growing their business. And in addition to that, of course, if they do a good job, do you think that I would tip them or just be like, all right, thanks for the free labor? Like, yeah, if they go above and beyond, of course they're getting tipped. But the point is, like, if I was starting out and building a car detailing business, you know what I would do? I would be going to every car meet, to every car show. I'd be flipping over every rock on the damn street looking for nice car owners to give them a first free detail and build up my arsenal of trust. Because if I can go to other supercar owners and say, listen, I've done this Porsche, I've done 10 BMWs, I've done Mercedes, I've done Lambos, I've done Ferraris, like they're gonna trust you with their car. That's what I would do. I would work for free, build up my base, and then boom, you have a full list of paying clientele. People just don't get it. They think too soon. And a lot of you guys who are entrepreneurs have probably dealt with that, where you had to start, or maybe you wanted a position at a job that you knew you couldn't get off the bat. So you take a shitty position to start and you ultimately work your way up. It's the same thing. It always works. Yep. So I got a 17-year-old that seems real hungry coming over. Mick, if you're lucky, I'll let you detail the humble Honda. And also, too, you got to think about it. If he does a great job, he's gonna get hired for life. All right, guys, I'm still waiting. All right, again, if we keep slowly trending up in lower volume, I will not trade. And then someone messaged me. They're like, "All right, well, I want to design custom homes. Should I just like go to wealthy homeowners and offer to remodel their house for free?" I was like, "Well, I mean, probably not." But what I would do is I would go work for someone who's currently building custom homes, get that experience, work for less, and then ultimately start your own deal. We're not in any trades yet. Do I have a pit bull? No. The dogs are tripping. Barking at it. Miss the move. Just because price moves up or down doesn't mean that you quote unquote miss a move. Like I don't want this move. This move is for the streets. I don't want the move. This is for the birds right here. No retest, lower volume. Keep it. I don't want it. Keep it. Move. The streets can keep that move. I don't want anything to do with it. Get away from me. Stay the heck away from me with that move. Just gonna wait. I mean, it's been an insane week. I have no need to trade today. Neither should you. If we get an April setup, we will. I mean, I'll be here for another like hour, probably like till 9:30 my time, so another hour and 20 minutes. That means we have 16 more 5-minute candles. Good idea to short. I wouldn't say so. That doesn't mean it. Like I could say that and we could see the biggest move down in history, but there's nothing telling me to short. Why would I short? Price is only moving up with green candlesticks. This move is for the streets. I am the streets.
Order filled.
Well, I hope she treats you all right. Tradeovate should add an option to cover your account balance till it reaches certain price targets. It's actually a good idea. Or you just use a sticky note and cover your P&L. Way harder than you think.
Order canceled.
See anything, Grizzly? I don't see nothing. Is MNQ on the games again? No, I haven't seen it. Like, it looks pretty similar to me. Looks pretty consistent to me.
Stopped out of that trade here. Could have been an ad though.
Consistency.
This market to wake up.
I know, slow.
Did all the work pre-market.
We got that massive move and then it's kind of slowed up. It is OPEX today, correct?
Yes. You seen MNQ is doing the same thing today.
I didn't see that. Of
I
course,
mean, not as bad, but it's still doing it.
You got any plans this weekend, bro?
Got some work to do, man. Yard work, and I got to go to my property, see about cutting all that off.
Grizzly, I was watching
steak.
I was watching this movie, this horror movie last night, and they were on the Appalachian Trail, going through the mountains. You ever been?
We need to do that together, man. Hike it.
You ever been?
No, I haven't. I want to go, but no one ever wants to go. I don't feel like it's something you want to do alone, considering, all the stuff that's happened on it.
Is there a lot of bad stuff?
Yeah, I don't know how to say this on stream, but it's yeah, just look it up. People have
I don't want to say this, but yeah, just go look it up.
People have not made it back.
That's what the movie was last night.
It's not far from my house. Like I can actually start. Where's the actual start of it? Is it like Georgia?
I don't know. I think so. I had a friend that did it.
I think it's in Georgia. Goes up through to Carolina, through North Carolina, around that way. Georgia to Maine. Yeah, that's right.
Okay, we finally got some volume on this candle, but I just don't fully trust it yet. 745. I'm not really super inclined to take this miniature 2-bar. I mean, I guess you could with stops at like 740. A little risky.
What'd you say he's looking for, Jadon?
Well, technically speaking, this would be a valid continuation 2-bar setup. You have aggressive wick up and slightly higher volume. I just don't fully trust price action right now. I'd rather see a little deeper retracement, but this could very well end up working out. You'd have to see a move from like 760 to like 780. Yeah, you'd have to see a move to 780 plus before seeing a retrace back below 740. Not.
I mean, I'd be open to possibly like a VWAP bounce, but that's like in the 650s.
Yeah. I like to see deeper retracements on days like today too. When we've had aggressive moves to the upside or even downside, I like to see deeper retracements.
Jaden, we could do that hike together. Some people live the hippie lifestyle up there too. If you're interested in that,
we'll just bring a Starlink with us, bro. We can hop on the trades from the mountains of the Starlink.
Yeah, there we go. I don't know. It might be nice just to be away from screens for the whole time.
Yeah, well, I'm down for that too. The people might get mad at us.
Let me grow my beard first. I want a full beard when I go. You can't hack that trail without a full beard.
Connection lost.
No, I don't have to tempt you with a good time, Grizzly. Going to disappear.
Yeah, man, that's right up my alley.
I tempt you with a good time.
used to hunt around that trail when I was young, like bear hunt stuff.
Bear hunt.
We used to hunt like raccoons and bears and stuff up there with dogs. My uncle has full mounts. He got full grizzly mounts. He's hunted all over. He got a full game room, like massive.
Damn. This is why I didn't take that setup. I don't trust price action.
I mean, there's no grizzlies in Tennessee. He went to Alaska, but you know.
Interesting. We touched that 15-minute high there. Let's see how this.
Respecting it.
What?
It's respecting it too so far.
Yeah, we'll see. This could be the pullback.
The wick on MNQ went down to 700.
What? You cut out.
I said the wick on MNQ. Check it out on that push down.
Went to 700. It is interesting. It is doing that same thing again.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That the MNQ wick went to 700 almost to the dollar almost, and NQ only went to 714.
It just bothers me. I don't know. I don't like that. I feel like there's something up with that.
It's a little sketchy.
Yeah, it is. I'd be down for a VWAP bounce. 660, 50s area.
Yeah, I'd rather trade micros today, but I think I'm gonna trade some minis, I guess. Been a good week, so it's all right. I don't trust those wicks. This candle gets a strong close here with volume. I'm open to the retest of like 740 with stops below like 715, targeting high a day. Ooh.
I wish Trump would just, someone would take his phone.
Take his phone away. You've been a bad boy.
Telling you.
No more tweets during market hours. Ever.
I think there should not be no tweets. Anything that could affect the markets, the algos could pick up on. Definitely no Fed speakers.
Interesting candle. This is either going to turn out to be a really nice bullish continuation candle, or it's could come with some bearishness to it. Volume's going to confirm either way.
Got 1 minute to get it together.
Nothing from me yet, guys. Just staying patient. Using DOD.
Flip bullish real quick. Give us a trade.
Where is your
What an ugly candle.
All right, so this candle doesn't look horrible for longs. Doesn't look terrible. Doesn't look amazing. It's also not the worst thing I've ever seen.
I'm gonna take this trade, guys. I don't like it. We came down here, so I could see us break that. So and maybe move down to the 50% of the entire day. So I'm gonna wait. Even if they take a trade, I'm not gonna join.
Point.
Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking about testing along at 35 here with stops at like 714. Just not in love with it quite yet. Finger was hesitating on the trigger, just not quite there.
Thinking I might join them. We'll see.
We're kind of learning your strategy every day, baby, right here.
Okay. Got it checked. We might enter this trade. We'll see.
Oh, nothing I like so far. I thought about the longs at like 35, but just a little risky. No continuation on the 15-minute chart. We'll see how the 5-minute plays out. We're going to be selective today. We're gonna have a mean pullback one of these days. I don't doubt that at all. Until that mean pullback comes, I'm gonna keep trading the trend to the upside and the downside. The trend is your friend, guys. Don't ever forget that. Whether you're trading aggressively scalping or you're trading slowly on higher time frame entries, the trend is your friend. I'm not saying I'm not going to trade today. I'm saying that it's a real possibility. I just wasn't fully confident enough in that 35 entry. Like, it looked okay, but just wasn't fully what I wanted to see. Woo! Woo! Excuse me. Jadon must have killed it today. No trades yet. Thank you very much. Appreciate y'all. No trades yet today. Looks like that 35 was it. Man, the Jadon Think indicator. Hits. Damn. I spooked myself out. But all that to say, the reason I liked that trade in the first place, you touch 15-minute high, aggressive wick up, rising volume, and then you look for the retracements where you can manage your risk and put your stops below that candle. But is what it is. We'll wait for the next one. Wow. The thing is, I actually was paying attention. I just didn't take it. I actually like that setup a lot. This volume's a little suspicious though in this candle. We'll see. And we're about to take out high a day. Damn. Damn.
We had one trade today in evals,
Wow.
so
Look at that.
yep.
Damn. I got spooked, Grizzly. This is the type of candle too we could look for a pullback on as well. How long do we have on this? We have a minute and 20 seconds. Wow, bro. Ah, that sucks. Frustrating for sure, but it is what it is.
Man,
Is what it is.
the orb worked out, but just didn't give us confirmation to get in.
It's all right. It's fine. Everything's fine. I'm fine. You're fine. We're fine.
First
And watch
ride.
for retest back down to 770, stops below like 740 maybe. Thing is, I liked the setup. I just spooked myself out.
This is the volume we was looking for, though.
Yep. I'm not fine. You will be fine. I promise. You will be fine. I'm gonna look for a retest back down. This candle closes in 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, let's see if we can get a retest back down to this previous high, like 770 area. I will give it a shot with
Where you putting your stop?
probably 740 below that candle.
Yeah. I'm gonna try a very light size of longs, everyone. I mean light, like 70 to 63 area.
Testing the light size of longs. Down here, guys. Tried the longs down there. Tried the longs, everybody. Tried the longs down there at 770. Tried the longs. Tried the longs with stops at 740. Target high of day. Target high of day. Otherwise, if I don't hit this trade, I'm gate on. Come on. Tried the longs down there at 770, guys, like the plan was. Stops at 740. See if we can get 800
Would have
plus.
joined, but I'm not going to chase. I just didn't. I don't know. Seems too obvious on an OPEX day.
I want 800 plus out of this, guys. So far, so good. At least, even if it stops me out now, I know that I had the right idea. We touched this 50% retracement to a T, and we moved up. Come on.
What's going on?
Come on,
Wow.
Nasdaq, 700 or 800 plus. trading if you're stressing yourself to death every day doing it. It's not. So manage your risk, trade a simple, repeatable system, and choose DoD. Do
Well, I
those
should
things
have
every day.
taken
You're going to
that
start
trade
enjoying your
with some
trading a heck of a lot
salty
more.
about that, but it was OPIX kind of scared me away. Too bad. So sad. But we made money in our evals today.
Yeah, take a
Hopefully
screenshot of this real quick.
get to maybe we're at, what are we?
Tough. Super tough.
We're at 10 evals right now.
Thanks, Jadon. I do stress in a lot of trades. Well, you don't have to anymore.
Mhm.
Genuinely. If you choose DoD. Losing is always going to suck, but it's just part of the game, you know?
All right, guys, I'm gonna head out for the day. Just one eval trade today. Missed one that we could have done very well on if we'd have followed Jay Dunn. I should be
Here's the deal.
following him more.
The
All
Funding
right, have a
Futures
good one.
family has given us 5